BMW 8 Series. Nobody wanted to do this restoration. I was the fourth guy he called. This restoration took about a half a day. A lot of work. That's why nobody wanted to do it. Plus, it's a BMW. Obviously, BMW lights, you really need to know what you're doing. This was a very expensive job, but look how bad they are, and then look at our results. Look at this. Beautiful, like the day it rolled off the showroom floor. Broward Headlight Restoration. We service Miami-Dade, Broward County, Palm Beach County. We are mobile. We come to you. 754-302-0769. Text us your pictures or call us, and we'll come out to you. Thank you for watching this video.